Hello everyone, myself Aarti Dilip Palve. I am from Nasik and I choose Human Anatomy and Physiology subject for daily task video. And my topic is tissue. So the tissue are the group of cells that are similar in structure and function together with the specific function. And the study of tissue is known as a histology, and the study of tissue disease is known as a histopathology. There are four types of tissue such as epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue or nervous tissue. So the first one is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue are the cells form a functional unit of secretory glands that are known as a glandular epithelium. Epithelial cells cover and line the all body surface or the body cavities, and the epithelial tissue are divided into how they look or how they base on the layer, such as base on layer is the simple epithelium containing only one cells, and the stratified epithelial tissue containing one more than one cells, such as, and the epithelial tissue divided how they look, such as squamous epithelium, columnar epithelium, cuboidal epithelium, glandular epithelium or transitional epithelium. So such as uh, simple epithelium tissue, uh, first one is a simple squamous epithelium, such as the single layer of flattened cell sac-like structure with a disc-shaped central nuclei and sparse cytoplasm, the simplest of the epithelium. And their function is the passive transport of the gases and fluids, and located in the alveoli of lungs, lining body cavities and lining blood vessels. Then the second one is simple cuboidal epithelium. They are the single layer of epithelial cells with a large nuclei, and the function is the simple cuboidal epithelium is a secretion and absorption of material. Then they are located in the kidney tubules, ducts, secretes portion of the small glands, ovary, and the surface. So next one is the simple columnar epithelium. They are columnar. They are single layer or column column structure with the round to oval nuclei, and that divided into two types such as ciliated or non-ciliated, and the function is the absorption and secretion of mucus, enzymes and other substances. They are located in the digestive tract, gallbladder or etc. Then the transitional epithelium. Transitional epithelium are located in the ureter or urinary bladder, and the ureter is the responsible for the fetus, and the urinary bladder is responsible for the urinary. And the property of transitional epithelium is expansion, such as contraction and relaxation of the blood. Then the second one is stratified or composite or compound epithelial tissue. So the stratified squamous epithelium. They are multi-layer surface cells. Squamous basal cells are which have a cuboidal and divided constantly. And the function is the stratified squamous epithelium is the protection, and they are located in the oral cavity or cervix. Next one is a stratified cuboidal epithelium. They are multiple layer cells and the cuboidal structure, and the function is the stratified cuboidal epithelia is the protection, located in the large ducts of sweat glands, mammary glands and the salivary gland. Next one is the stratified columnar epithelia. They are multi-layer superficial cells, elongated cells, and they are found in small amount of in the male, and the female. Then these columnar stratified columnar epithelium has the more than one layer of the columnar epithelium, and these cells are attached to the basement membrane. Not all reach the free of the covering depth. They are regulated by the protection and secretion. So then the second tissue is the connective tissue. Connective tissue are the connects, binding and support of all the cells, and the main function of the connective tissue is the connection, protection, support and integration of all the body parts. And integration means the filling the sacs likes into the bones, muscles and skin with the solid liquid or jelly like matrix. Then uh, then the types of connective tissue such as bones, blood, ligament, tendons, areolar, adipose and cartilage. And the bones is the bones is the respiratory of the gases, nutrients and other waste materials in the supply in the blood vessels in the body. Or the ligament and tendon. Tendon are the short cord of strong flexible tissue or the rope shape. Tendon doing a function is the connect the uh, muscles to bone, and ligament bone to bone. Then the blood sorry bones are the framework like structure that attach to one bone to another bone and make the cytoskeleton system. Next, the areolar consists of three cells such as fibroblast, mast cells, macrophage, rbcs such as fibers, fibro uh, cartilage etc. Such next one is adipose. Adipose tissue are the fats like material. They adipose means adipocytes, or they produce the fats on the body. Next one is a cartilage. Cartilage are not hard as a bone. They are present in nose, ears or joints, and the function of connective tissue is connects organs and tissue of the body, holding body fluids, defending body against infections, um, or the macrophages, plasma cells, mast cells, WBC, or st- strong nutrients. Sorry, store the nutrients as a fat. Next one is a nervous tissue. Nervous tissue are connected by the nerves, transfer the message to the parts of the body, such as the movement of the body, voluntary movement control, such as they depend on the voluntary movement, when to start, when to end. They are the send the message of all the body parts. Next, muscular tissue. Muscular tissue are attached to the muscles. They are divided into three types such as smooth muscles, cardiac muscles or skeletal muscles. So the smooth muscles are present in the stomach and the intestine, and the cardiac muscles present in the heart, or the skeletal muscles present in the skeletal system. Then the uh, functions of epithelial tissue is the protection, secretion, filtration and absorption. Then protect the skin from radiation and other inflammation. Filtration of blood by the kidney. Secretion of mucus, glands, etc. And the absorption of the food in the stomach and the small intestine. So these are the tissue. Thank you.